Alright, so I know it's been a while since we made a video. What's up? So guess what we're doing today, people? We are changing the oil. We're going back to the 0W20. And then we're going to try to take the sway bar off so I can stop my rubbing issue. And Papi's going to do all the work, aren't you? Yeah? Alright, cool. Well, let's get it started. You want to let it down? Or you want me to let it down?
I'll let it down.
Okay. So we're going to twist this way. Slowly. Let's see, it should be this way. So you see, just like that. And we let it all the way back down. And we're good for this side. Bam! You got it. All right. Putting them to work. We're gonna try to make it even. Look at you. All that power and energy. You're gonna sleep good tonight. Yeah, after this, we're going to the pool.
Oh, it better be worth it.
It's always worth it for pool time. All right, hold on just a second. Okay, keep coming. All right, we should be good. Okay, so I know it's probably zoomed into the mats, but we're gonna have to take this undershield off, and hopefully, oh geez, there should be bolts on the back of that we can take off, and the sway bar should just come off. So we'll see. Hopefully it's that easy. Hi everybody. I know it's gonna be kind of hard to see, but just bear with me. Hold on. All right. So we're gonna come all the way down here.
Whoa. Is that a queen bee?
Where?
Right here.
Right where? Oh, no telling what that was. They dead now. Ain't no telling. Okay, so come up here to kind of where I am.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. My finger in the way though.
Yep.
My tripod broke. So I have to hold it by my hand. Alright, so try to flip on your back.
Okay.
You might have to slide out first. There you go. And then kind of scoot yourself on up here. Alright. So this is where we drain the oil at, right here. Oh, man.
Are you sure we should be doing that?
Yeah, I'm sure.
How do
Alright,
I do
so what we're going to do is I'm going to take this part off for you.
Alright. And then the oil come out?
All you got to do... Oh, snap. This is hard recording and trying to...
I got it.
So all you got to do is hit this little lever right here and twist it to the side.
And then...
Oh, no, we missed it. Oh, no. We accidentally hit the end button. It's okay. We have plenty more times. Or we can just do it again. I'm gonna let you do it again.
No, please.
Do it! Yeah. Up and twist.
Up here.
Let's see. I got you. You ready?
Patrick, no!
You ready? We got this!
No!
We got it! And twist.
Oh, Patrick. One more time. And I think I can do it. So down, then side.
Yep. See? Look at you. Now, not every car has this little nifty little valve thing. Most cars you got to get really dirty. Yeah. So, yeah, we're just going to chill until...
This whole thing pours out.
Yep, you got it. Then we're going to take a bath with it.
Heck no.
Yeah.
Heck
That's
no.
what we got to do. Makes our skin nice and soft.
No, it just makes us smell like gas.
I tried to get you to take oil bath.
You take it yourself.
Oh, I will. I do it every time.
No, you
It's
won't.
good for you.
No, you won't.
It's good for your skin.
No, you won't.
Uh-huh.
Bet.
Bet. How much we betting?
A penny.
A penny? I need more than a penny.
A penny.
I know you got $40.
I don't got 40.
Let's do it. I need $40.
I don't got 40. I got 20. 22.
All right. Well, let's bet 22 then.
No.
Why?
I'm not getting $22 and losing $22.
Oh, so you know you're going to lose. Because you know I'll do it.
This thing is...
Oh, it's a lot. My arm getting tired. I'm shaking. I'm going to end the video, and then we'll start back later. Bye. All right. So, next is this. It's dirty in here. Yep, we got to be careful. Try not to get it.
Use the whole bottle?
Mm-hmm. I'm going to put it right in here. I'm going to get out your way. And then we're just gonna sit it just like this, just for a second. He don't like to get dirty.
It smells like boo-boo.
He don't like to get dirty. It's okay.
How about you
He'll like
smell
it later. Oh, just wait until you smell diff fluid for the first time. Yeah, that's not bad. Just wait until you smell diff fluid for the first time. Or trans fluid. You can be like,